All right, team, this is perfect. We'll put the kitchen unit on this side.
Yeah.
And the bedroom goes here. Let's get the exact height. If we put the window here, it maximizes the light.
And the kitchenette fits perfectly on this wall, according to the sketch.
This section here will be the kitchen layout.
And we can fit the bed right here, maybe add a small window above it.
Mark it here for the window opening.
Measured twice. Ready to cut.
All right, lower it slowly. Watch the corner. Hold it right there, securing the frame now. Ready to weld the top brace.
Go ahead, I've got it.
This piece fits here.
Make sure it's snug against the stud.
Hold it steady right there. All right, drilling it in now. Pass me the next one.
$40 right here. Cut.
Applying the cement now, secure that joint.
All right, pressure test initiated. Looks solid.